Hello and welcome. A new motorcycle jacket can be quite costly, and I'm sure you'll be aware of this fact. And that's why I'm going to dress up this lovely naked chest and show you my 5 favourite jackets up to around €300. Let's take a look. Let's kick off with the Macna Rancher, a simple and straightforward jacket aimed at touring riders for bad weather. Basic, simple, straightforward. This jacket has been designed in such a way that it is very affordable, but it also chooses safety over comfort. And I don't mean this jacket isn't comfortable to wear, I mean that the protectors in this jacket range from the left side to the right side like so, and from top to bottom like so. Very big, strong, sturdy protectors. Not always the most comfortable option, but definitely more protection, which is nice, and the same goes for the shoulders up here. It also features a Z-liner membrane, which means that this jacket has a waterproof lining suspended between the outer and inner shell. Now that means that the outer layer of the jacket can take up some water, but the thermal liner on the inside of the jacket will keep you warm. And there's something I really like about the thermal liner, something that many manufacturers don't do. And that is that the thermal lining has been attached to the sleeves with zippers all the way around, which is what Macna call the easy cuff system. I believe they use it in all of their jackets, and on too many other jackets, you'll see it on some of the jackets we're going to look at in a moment, they use the buttons, maybe one, maybe two, but it's just not seamlessly integrated like this sleeve. So I really like that about this jacket. The other thing to like is the price. It only costs $219.95, and it will keep you warm and it will keep you dry. Moving on, we have the REV'IT Afterburn jacket. Now this is a big jump from a touring jacket with stiff protectors to an urban jacket with flexible protectors and a soft shell. Now this jacket has a little bit of stretch, which makes it more comfortable to wear, and the design says enough. This is a casual jacket. This is something you're going to be wearing if you're going to go out to the city or out to a party or something like that. But it's very comfortable to wear, much more so than a touring jacket. This jacket features a G-liner membrane, which is a waterproof coating on the inside of the jacket, and all the seams have been taped up to keep the water out. Not as waterproof as a Z-liner membrane, but well enough to keep you dry under normal circumstances. It has the C-Smart soft protectors on the elbows and shoulders, and it is of course prepared for a C-Soft Level 2 back protector. I really like the design of this jacket. I like the dark blue colour, although the grey one is pretty nice too. Check that one out. The hood though, it's the only thing that I don't really like. It's probably one of the most useless features on a motorcycle jacket ever. Luckily you can remove the hood because it has YKK zipper all around, so you can take it clean off, which is pretty good because you're not really going to be utilising this while riding. The jacket costs €259.99. Back to touring. This jacket is called the Held 4, which is the number 4, Touring 2, which is the number 2. I really wish manufacturers would stop giving their products these names, but it is a very nice jacket, so forget the name, the Held 4 Touring 2. For me, this jacket gives more of a premium look and feel for something that isn't that expensive. It has very nice and large protectors. It has a lot of ventilation options, and I mean a lot because it has openings here, has openings here. It has a very large opening on the sleeve, all of which feature the held safety strap, which means that they're stronger and won't tear open in the event of an accident. Very important, of course. There's also a matching pair of trousers for this jacket, and I'll make sure to put the link in the description. In short, I think we can say this jacket is a very good entry-level touring jacket, great for any trips. It's got a waterproof Z-liner membrane, which is suspended between the inner and outer shell. It has the thermal lining, which of course is removable, and it's just full of features, and it feels like a premium jacket for $279.95. Who says everybody wants to be waterproof? This leather jacket is so classic, so beautiful. It's the Richa Normandie. It's a buffalo leather jacket. It has pockets here, here, here. It has a pocket on the inside. It has YKK zippers all around. It's a very comfortable jacket, and it's very supple leather, which is complemented by the D30 protectors on the elbows and shoulders. Very nice, very flexible. And what you see is what you get with this jacket. It's a very well priced leather jacket. Is it completely leather? Not really, because it has a neoprene collar, which is very comfortable. But apart from that, it's completely made out of leather, and it's a great jacket to look at. Very classic, very nice, and of course no waterproof or thermal liners here. Apart from the beautiful look, what more can we say? The jacket will set you back €299.99. Well, we're down to our last jacket, and dare I say, I may have saved the best for last. This is the Dainese Corso Absoluteshell jacket. Absoluteshell, you say? What's that? Well, it's actually modelled after Gore-Tex, which means that this jacket has a laminated outer shell, which has a membrane based on Teflon, just like Gore-Tex, so it's breathable, it has a bit of stretch, and it is guaranteed to keep you dry. Now that in itself is a reason to go for this jacket, especially for the price, I'll tell you in a minute. But the design is also something to look at. I really like this. I like the way they've put the pockets on. I like the whole print, the whole pattern, but it's also really comfortable to wear, and it looks like a regular jacket. The Pro Armor protectors on the elbows and shoulders are very flexible. It just feels like you're wearing a regular jacket, but it does keep you warm, and it does keep you dry, and it looks great, and it protects you. What more do you want? I'll tell you what more I'd want. I wouldn't want it to have a hood, because the hood's not removable. I know this is a useful feature when you're off the bike because it'll keep your head dry, but when you're on the bike it only seems to get in my way. You can roll it up, and it does have a reflective strap to keep it in place, so in that respect they've done as much as they can, but I would have liked it even more if I could have removed it from the jacket. Now this jacket has a removable thermal liner which you can wear as a destination liner. Now that means you can wear it separately from the jacket, and if you're in a building where it's a little bit cold, then you can keep it on, no problem, and it looks quite normal as well. The only thing I don't really like about it is that it only has one button to keep it in place at the end of the sleeve, and I believe only 1 or 2 buttons on the inside of the jacket as well. So it's quite loose within the jacket, which means you have to take care when putting it on and taking it off. I might just be splitting hairs here, because this is a really good jacket and it is laminated, so it's guaranteed to keep you dry, and for a laminated jacket that looks so good, it's quite cheap because it only costs €329.95, which is really a good price. Well, that brings this video to a close. Quite a bad pun really. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Now remember, you can find all these jackets on photomoto.com, where we offer the best prices and of course worldwide shipping. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, all that kind of lovely stuff. And remember, if you want to use your clothing for a long time and keep it in good nick, you need to wash it and treat it properly with the correct products. If you don't have anything, you can find it on our website. We have bundle deals on our website with jackets and trousers, etc. So you can find all that online. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Cheerio.